Hello all everyone, so we are just joining and we're happy to start here. Okay, we started, so let's do some interesting stuff here. We're starting as usual in Xenna, but today we just started a little bit later than usual, and that will provide us the ability to show you more, guys, to show you even more and to make more actually, and concentrate more, not playing only with this, for example, Xenna, but playing with other games, and of course trading. So maybe today we will discuss some awesome news about the Bitcoin, Rumble, and everything, right? Okay, if you are ready, we will start right away in a couple minutes to discover what's going on in crypto, what's going on in GameFi, in DeFi, and in whatever fi actually. So okay, but first of all we will start our expansion here. Okay, let's do some interesting stuff. Concentrating people everywhere. So we've eliminated our opponent. He's working, so we would just push him away. That's helped us to take all this corner, but I'm not personally thinking. Okay, hello Bella, I believe you will not attack me. This guy tries to get me out. I don't know if I will be able to kill him from the ambush, but I will try. Yeah, I was successful in this field. So maybe we can go for the Navilon. For the Mr. Navilon. Let's send some people there. So we need to make the big hand here, and I believe Bella will not attack us as our friend. I want to believe, like Mulder said in the TV shows of X-Files. Okay, Navilon just taking his forces, gathering his forces here. We will gather our forces as well. So it's very important not to lose the moment when he will attack us. Okay, he is gathering. Okay, that's nice. We can escape the battle with Navilon right now and concentrating on the saver position. Okay, Navilon just move out. Okay, I have a lot of people here. So let's split our forces a little bit. Working on the gathering people as usual. Okay, time to attack here. Okay, Bella just tried to kill this guy, and I will just go through there, and I believe we will meet each other. Okay, that's it. It was sorry, Bella. I love you too. I love you too, Bella. So, okay. We've missed you. Oh, thank you. See, Kanigur and Exeter. Okay. Yeah, so we have a, just a long period. We were waiting till something will just be calming down in the, this world of different political and other stuff is going on. Actually, we're doing good. But we wanted to have a little bit pause just to make more forces and gathering our knowledge. And right now we see that this is small Bitcoin moves here. So actually, I believe, hello Hamo. So I believe I was wrong when I'm saying that today I will be shorting, because you can see that it was shortened before we just get live here, but nevertheless we will continue to explore the possibilities today. What to do here, what to buy here, what not to buy. But beforehand, I will just go in really quickly through this competition. So I believe within this challenge it will be the last one, and then I will switch on the for another one. So how you guys, how are you doing? Are you actively trading right now, like Hamel? And by the way, nobody just shared their value of their depot. So actually, the stream is about CryptoPumper. Yep. Small, warming up. Small warming up. Just gathering people. So I believe we will not stay here for a long time. Maybe just 15 minutes or something, and then we will switch to the crypto news, graphics, charts, and everything. Yeah, just trying to do something interesting here. Okay, where's people? We need just one of these guys. So yeah, you might see that I've just prepared you some analytical stuff here. So we will analyze what's going on here. Everyone needs to know how to act. Actually, if you just remember, I said that we might be redefine our strategy, our follow strategy after the Bitcoin will reach 33,000. Okay, let's go for this guy. Okay, let's see what will be going on here. It was a mistake for this guy to just attack me on my own tower. For sure it was a mistake. I want to concentrate more people here because I'm worried about this guy. Okay, I made a trick here. He just made the same trick. Okay. Okay, I can expand a little bit. I need to do this very quickly. Okay. Let's make another one move here. What he gonna do? What he gonna do? I believe nothing. Because I have more power here. Okay, that's it. Okay, this guy done. So we're doing pretty good. So the thing is, where will be just going our green circle? I don't like X-Robot guy. Okay, let's take his towers. So here we're fighting. Okay, nice. I need to save my people. Come on, come on, come on. I have no time to do this. I need to hold the center. Okay, the big guy is pushing in. Come on, come on. Really? He decided? Oh no. It would be nice if he'd just attack my ambush. Okay, let's go there. So for sure we will take the second place. Our goal here is to survive as long as we can. So we can just run away and that will be fine. I'm just getting the points here. Yeah, I believe we need to switch on another tournament. Hello Mario, hello QH something. Where's hello Dwight BMBA. So guys, I must remind you guys that we're streaming on the major crypto live platform streaming. So it's YouTube, Binance Live, and Huobi Live, of course. That's what we are doing right now. Hey Kashika. Hello everyone. Hello Gok. Okay. I believe we're done with this one tournament, and we will just play 1 or 2 fights here, and then we will switch on the crypto news and everything which is related with bitcoins and our crypto, guys. And remember that we will not buy bitcoin right now because it reached more than 30,000. So right now we need to maybe redefine our strategy, and maybe we should think over how it will be just acting. So should we shorten the positions even right now when it's got the correction, because it got the correction on the 33,000, and 33,000, as I said, this is the level, the critical level of resistance. Okay. Why there is no so many people? By the way, guys, what have you been doing during this week? We were not streaming. What were you doing? Having some fun, having some rest, having some trades. So me personally, I was doing some job stuff and doing some construction stuff over my house. June said just working. Okay. There is a lot of to do, right? Are you guys preparing for the Halloween? Oh yeah. Only fun trade, nothing important. So I will share. So this week actually, I will show you some of my auto trades which we're be doing within the educational blockchain educational, because as I said before, I haven't touched almost anything. I've just raised my limits, so I will show you. And with this trend of upgoing trend, so some of my deals closed faster than I expected, so it's good. It's good, of course, and of course I'm pity that I haven't got a big depot, right? Because if I would have a big depot, it will be very, very nice to get profits. So I was counting a little bit. Okay, let's go for this massacre here. Let's go to have party with everybody. Oh yeah, very nice. Oh no! He killed this guy. Oh, crazy. I wasn't lucky here. I need to replenish my forces very quickly. Otherwise I will be smacked. Okay. So I'm trying to survive here. Maybe I will be lucky. What I've just choose? I just don't remember what have I choose to. Okay. Okay, Mr. Coolinam. We need to sync over. Okay, LexCore maybe dying or not? No, he's not supposed to die. So what do we what do we need? What do we know right now about our situation here? Okay, we need just to wait a little bit. Oh, look at this guy. Okay, if we will die, so we will die. But I believe so this guy just lost his concentration here. And we can send some forces to get his towers back. To get my towers back, I'm sorry. Oh no. So we're gonna die. Okay. We don't celebrate Halloween here, unfortunately. So it's up to you, actually. We will buy Filecoin today. Oh, I don't know about the Filecoin. I mean, I know about the Filecoin, but I don't know. Should you buy it? I can just go into the graphics. To see some charts. Why not? Filecoin, I don't know. I don't see there, big potential in terms of the. I suppose I have some little bit Filecoins in my portfolio, but actually I don't believe that they will be just getting so huge. So, Hamon said ASV. Okay. Will be. I suppose just 1 or 2 fights, and I will be ready to switch off the Xenna. Come on. Follow said SV. Okay, thanks. Hi F4DD2. Hello. How are you doing? Okay. So seems to me not very bad position here. Okay, Bonnie decided to go for those tower. Okay, let's take this one. Not good, not good. So I haven't sent some split forces there, right? Oh wait, and he hasn't used the. He hasn't used the. Okay. Actually, I used hacking ability. That's how I survived. Oh, I was. So this guy got first. Okay. Let's try to be the first, guys. I don't know if we will be lucky. I don't know. But actually we need to save our own bots here. No, this guy just healed this. Okay. unfortunately. We cannot survive. We cannot survive here. So if I was a little bit faster here, maybe I will be, you know, more lucky. So we need just to move and to get these towers, just to gather people. Something like 1 by 1, right? Okay. Oh my gosh. This guy is lucky to kill me. Yeah. But actually he hasn't got many towers here. Okay, let's do one more. Let's do one more effort and then we will just stop this. Doesn't matter which result. Okay. Kirim Allah. Say this. Okay. I don't know what does mean, so I will try to translate it. Sand. Oh. Sand lakhs? So I don't have lakhs. I understand lakhs is a currency, right? In Indonesia or something. Is that in AI? No, I'm not an AI. It's just a mask. So I'm just an incognito guy, and I will show my AI. Where is my domain? Here? Here we go. Here is my supporter. Okay. Hello, Bal. Oh, come on. This is the first time I was named like AI. Thanks. Thanks God. I'm not an AI. Okay, what's Bal saying? What's Bal saying? In Chinese, Darwagen. What does it? Okay, a mask without a body. Lol. Yeah, so we're working on the body. I'm not, you know, I haven't got enough depot for trading to have a body to buy my body. So actually, we're thinking about the working on the whole body. So thinking over it. Okay, let's attack this guy. Okay, a lot of ambushes here. I will use the ambush stuff. Yep. I believe right now it's more important. Oh, this guy decided to attack me? Really? Interesting. Edelman, do not disturb me. Okay, I should be the first. No. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We've got it. So we need a little bit more, pay a little bit more attention to the neighbors. Maybe, I don't know. He's just sitting here and watching what I will be doing. Okay, let's go and try to do some stuff here. Oh, come on. I need somehow to make these guys fight to each other. I don't know how. I need just to, you know, guys, I need to concentrate more people in my towers. That's it. So I need just people. I suppose it's not enough. Yeah, it's not enough. Oh no. Yeah, I wasn't lucky. So what's my place? 56. Okay. Don't mind. What are we supposed to do? Limit live. Hello, hello. So yeah, I will leave the game right now. Just taking my usual stuff. Okay. And we will speak about a little bit about Bitcoin price today. Maybe. Okay. Okay, let's leave it. So guys, yeah, we see that it's just good in shortened, but it hasn't reached 33,000 as I said before. So we can see, so okay, I believe that even a lazy guys just have been speaking about the Bitcoin price and the other prices of the crypto right now. So actually, what I'm thinking about uh, it's not, so we haven't got any the reason we haven't got any reason to just going upwards. We have some, you know, false movements in terms of the okay. In terms of the rumors, yeah, so we saw that this big, you know, liquidity stuff haven't even, you know, making deal here, right? So even with this one, um because the rumors about ETF stuff were just warming up the whole community, but what we're gonna see here, that it started to go to the sightseeing. Yeah, so of course it will be just sightseeing, but should we expect it will be lower for the next 26, for example, 27,000? So it depends on how it will be just trading this week. So if this week it will go a little bit, so it will if it will go for example closer for the 32,000, so it can go lower even for the 26, 27. And if it will go just for the side, and the new level of resistance will be like 33,000, something like this. So really, yeah, so if we will see the new resistance level like 33,000, so something like here, it's a little bit more, yeah, because usually it was said that it will be just like 33,000 and a half, but actually I believe it can be, you know, a bull trap, it can be a bear trap, so you shouldn't you should pay attention on these levels, yeah. So and you should pay attention on these levels, so because it can be bear and bull trap as well, so you need to understand this. So when we just we're speaking, I believe with Ham or with some guys, hello, salam, Similesic. So when we were speaking about the actual what I'm going to do today on the stream, so actually I was supposing for shorten the Bitcoin, yeah. So but it was like 4 hours ago, and during this 4 hours ago it just go down. So I believe I should do this before. Yeah, so I need the beer back, said June. Yeah, me also, because actually, if we go into the folio, my folio stuff, so actually I'm just get my holdings back a little bit. Nevertheless, for me, it's a bad sign because I'm not ready for the bull run right now. I need to compose more positions, and if you're in the same situation as me, we need to speak a little bit more about the coins, about the major stuff here, and about the let's go for the risk analysis. So we can see that, of course, right now Bitcoin is a leading part of the portfolio because it's pumping the same stuff with Ethereum, but you can see that Toncoin just lost a little bit, and Madix goes upper. If you go for the crypto bubble, so it's very interesting to see here, for example, Pepper. So you can short Pepper, guys, for sure. So I believe you can show you can short the Pepper stuff. For the recent days, if Bitcoin will not, you know, going up within the big moves, so Pepper can reach you out if you're shorting them. So what I'm looking here, only bull, said Mars. Okay, I'm not very bullish right now, and as I said, because I do not believe in the bear in the bullish market before halving and before the next summer actually. But who knows? Actually, maybe everybody is waiting till the bear run, and we're just thinking over about the uh, about the stuff. But what I'm looking right now, so you can see, so you do not pay, you shouldn't pay attention on this stuff, right? So you can see the controversial stuff here if you want to get more positions. So for me, I will uh, see what's the level of this year minuses, and you can see what you can buy right now. So it's BNB. So, but BNB, I'm not very sure about the BNB because on the centralized exchanges coins right now, and centralized exchanges are under the pressure, still under the pressure of the SECs and the market conditions and so on. So you shouldn't be very, in very, in very dire stuff in buying the centralized exchange coins, because they of course they have some utility stuff and other stuff, but actually this is very dangerous. So what we can see here, Cardano, look at this, they just starting to pump as Bitcoin and Ethereum as well. So it's closer to Ethereum moves, but you can see that it's still minus 32 percent um, in the year run. So it's wonderful opportunity to get and invest in Cardano. The next one is of course Polygon Matic, and I believe I will buy some today. Yeah, feeling more of my folio. The next one is Avalanche. So Avalanche has the potential, but I don't think that it should be, going throughout this stuff. The next one is Cosmos. Yeah, so the next one is Cosmos, and which I highly recommend to go in. Yeah, Ethereum Classic, it's for traders. Actually, you need to trade. What about the Uniswap? The same stuff as the centralized exchanges. So, um, very very dangerous, because they have a lot of competitors right now. What about the Filecoin? So, Mahmoud said about Hama said about the Filecoin. So, GeekFi, give me some info about the Filecoin, said Mars. So let's look at the Filecoin as well. So let's go for the Filecoin and see how it's feeling. Filecoin, Filecoin, I don't know, Filecoin, right? So for the okay, let's look for the all-time frame. Look at this. Look at this. Let's see the support level. Maybe we should go for the. I've just closed the trading view, right? Okay. So, what we can see right now. What we can see right now here. Oh, I'm sorry. Um, where's the? So 1 year high 9, and low for the. So actually, right now it's trading for the. So I believe that the Filecoin. Let's go for the trading view, I believe, and see the. Oh, come on, Delmain. I have 4 hours, maybe days, right? So what we're gonna see here, I will just go a little bit. So usually, what I'm thinking over. So the first one is where the level of the resistance. So we can see that um, it's pretty much interesting that the level. So for the field coin during the overall period of time, this one. So I will not take an account on these ones, yeah, and these ones shadows, because it's market crashes and dumping stuff. But for me, it's looking that the signal was somewhere here, of course, right? And uh, what we can expect here. So what we can expect here? Actually, it's a bullish trend, and we can see that it was bouncing several times for the level of 3, right? So of course, so the buying position, the best buying position, of course, is the level of 3, or even 4. Yeah, so you can wait till the correction will be going on. So if you want to trade it, so somewhere here, or somewhere here even, and then buy something, and to sell somewhere around here, right? So somewhere around 4. um mm, for the so it's good for trading. So you can see that it's relatively has the bouncing stuff, shorting stuff. So you can make swing trades, and it's really working with liquidity well. But we need to find this particular stuff here, and okay, let's go for the 4 hours candle. So you need to see the 4 hour candles, so and react on such moves. So we can see that right now it's correction, right? And oh, come on, a lot of liquidity is going in. So after you see such stuff on the in the field coin, so you should understand that you can go and invest some for the swing trading. Look at this, right? Uh, but of course, during the year it was the bearish trend. But if you can see that if you will buy, for example, in the end of the red candle in the 4 hour pattern, so you can see, for example, if you're going here, not even here, yeah. So you cannot predict uh, the lowest price. So you will be just investing when it will be go up a little bit. But if you can see these levels, okay. So and they're repeating, right? Let's see. For example, this is big one red candle. So you can see that you can make some, good trades here. So for example, from the level 3.4 to the level 3.75. So let's make some mess here. I don't know. I'm not very, guys. I'm not good very in the trading view stuff. Maybe it can calculate, but automatically. But I will do this with calculator. Okay, 3.475. 3.475. We will divide on the okay, this level, for example, right? A little bit lower. So to be very, conservative, 3.575. 3.575. So it's about 3%. So for me, 3% is a good trade. So better to get smaller rewards, better to get smaller profits, but get profits constantly. And you can see that during, for example, for example, let's look for the time frame. For example, this is September, right? This is September, and we can see, for example, okay, let's count. This one was good, right? So there is some opportunities to trade. This one, yeah, this one, because it was bouncing. This one not. Yeah, so in the locals, it wasn't good. This one, okay. This one for sure. This one, because it's like one big candle, right? This one because it was bouncing. Something like this, right? So let's count a little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Something around 10 trades for the for the just one coin in September. I'm just going backwards because right now this situation is not like natural, right? So because the market is pumping and so on. We're just seeing the situation in September where there wasn't any big super moves, right? Hello Gurkan Odabasi, merhaba. Um, what's this money said about? So it's field coin. So because Hamo asked us to analyze the field coin, so it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 trades, for example, right, in the months within the single coin. So imagine and it has, for example, the conservative 3%. Conservative 3%, and you have $100. So we'll just we will be multiplying it within the 3%, right? So 10 trades, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 30% in a month. Sounds good, right? For example, you will not enter in every time because you do not understand, for example, how to enter. For example, you understand in some moves, but you need to wait a little bit more, for example, or you need to or for example, you've lost the moment because you can't predict how deep it will be going on. Yeah, so for example, you are just looking every day for the charts, right? So you do not understand how to do this, so you haven't got any automated signals, you haven't got anything. So for example, it's 5 trades, it's $15 from 100. So this is good coin for trading, right? What about the investing? So if you can see that it has all-time high, very big all-time high, something like 9 or something. It shows me even 30, I don't know. Really? So what I'm thinking about the all-time highs, it was okay, come on, 200. So when it was on hype, right? In 2022, so when it was on hype. When I suppose when everybody said, okay, this coin will beat everything. What we can say here, um, we don't okay, this is not so old coin, right? Um, let's look at the top trending tokens. File colonization, storage system, storage humanity most important. So actually they have a lot of they have raised 200 millions in ICO in 2017, but initially planned to launch in 2019. Okay, APFES, the project was first described. Okay. Proof of space-time. Yeah. So actually, um, what I'm thinking, So for the long time perspective, um, I don't believe that it will repeat this all-time high, but actually, it can go somewhere, somewhere here. So you need to understand. So this one level and this one level, it's almostly falling in doubles, right? In the pikes. So I believe the 60 is a wonderful price for the next bull run for this coin. So it will be just, very good, yeah, if it's reached. And look at this 3.75. Even if it reached 30, it's 10x, right? And it has actually the potential to reach this out. It has the potential to reach this out, but the overall trend, of course, so we can see that it the lowest is 2, something like 2, right? So it's okay. And we're not even in the middle. So if we're just thinking over the Bitcoin will go, for example, in 4 times, then we'll go, for example, in 4 times, as we said, by the current price. But can it grow on 4 times? Really, very easy. But for the altcoin season, so it's a risky coin, right? So you can expect only bigger access, because anyway, why should I invest in some altcoins if I can invest in the Bitcoin, right? So The possible goal here, of course, is 10x for me. So 10x is 30. So this is the level 28 maybe, right? So this one 28. So if it will be bouncing to this level, so you can sell your half, for example, or something, and just to uh, wait for the next one, right? Okay. Wait a second, please. Okay, I will just point here the coins which we're just exploring. Of course, it's Cardano. And yeah, so it's possible next, of course, Polygon. Sorry, guys, but you can see that it's still the it still have the potential, and of course it will be bouncing. What else? Cosmos, right? Cosmos. Filecoin, yeah, maybe. Filecoin. I like risky, said Mars. So you need to diversify. Internet computer. So I have some in my folio. You can try Kronos and Aptos. I'm not really, guys, about the Aptos, about these popular guys. I don't know. I'm not sure because they're at the beginning. What about the Kronos? Let's see the let's see the okay, let's go for the oh, where is the music? Let's go and switch on some music here. Wait a second, guys. Okay, I will get some more music in the next time. Actually, wasn't prepared. Oh, okay. Let's make a little bit. Okay. So I will make it a little bit, a little bit. Okay, I believe that's nice, right? That's nice. Okay, so Junbout asks for the Kyber ICP. Yeah, we're just going for the crypto bubbles, right? Straight for the from the beginning. So I don't think that the Kyber will do. So actually, when we were discussing Kyber the previous time, I said that okay, let's switch on this. For the investing purpose, I do not recommend Kyber. What's going on? Oh. What's going on with my... What's going on? Okay. So you can see this highly volatile stuff, and everybody were asking on two levels actually. On this level what to do, and on this level what to do. Actually, we haven't even checked the resistance level, and I believe it will be downtrend for this coin because it's new, it will be, you know, it will be going down, or, you know, it can go, for example, for some such spikes here and there. Yeah, even during this you know, decade, not decade, quarter, right? So it can reach for this one, but if you're a trader, so if you will just go for the swing trades, okay, it can reach it. So you can expect, for example, doubling, something like doubling or something. So it has some perspective for trading, but you can see that the trend right now is downsizing. So this bounce, of course, is connected with Bitcoin, right? But you can see that it's just going down. And for the downtrend, it's very important when it will be just the, okay, it's not the right position, because it's going not so, you know, not very stable down, right? This one is a little bit annoying me. Okay, it's not pure downtrend, right? Because it has some ups here. So you might think that this is, for example, this one is the resistance level. For example, you can imagine that this is the resistance level. Somewhere here, this was, you know, just the accumulating, for example, liquidity or something. But really, I believe that the resistance level here for the long investing can be something like this one at least, or even lower. So I don't think that it can, for example, survive during the next crypto winter, right? So that's why I'm thinking about the, you know, I don't think that it's good for investment. Maybe good for trading, but I don't see a lot of opportunities here for trades. Maybe like on 3%, maybe, but you can see that this long periods, and actually it's going down, 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 down. So not big bouncing here, except this one, yeah, two ones. So you need to understand this. It's super highly risky stuff here. Okay. So what about the ICP? Oh my gosh. You can see that, of course, it's highly volatile, and but you can see that the overall trend is still going down, and we haven't seen a lot of levels of support stuff. So we can see that this one, of course, is possible level, right? But it hasn't been tested too much time. But okay, no, 1, 2, 3 times maybe, right? So good price to buy. Actually, good price to buy right now. But it's not cheap. So it's not very cheap. So it can go even downsize. It's good for trading, I believe. So for some scalping stuff. Yeah, I would mark this with a question. Okay. So what next? Kronos. So we haven't analyzed Kronos actually, by the way. Oof. These big candles. I would say no. I would say no. Maybe. Let's investigate a little bit. Yeah, look at this. Has some stuff here, but so it's higher than the level over the resistance, and it's touched at this level, right? So but it's cheap, really. Can it reach the 10x? It was just like here. I'm not sure, guys, actually. Can it reach this level? I'm not sure. Really, guys, I'm not sure if it can reach the level. I'm not sure it can reach even 4x like Bitcoin will reach in the bull run. So of course everything will be just growing, but we need to understand it. Will it be growing faster than Bitcoin on the alt season? Right, correct. I have DMBT token. Who said this? Wow, it needs to be brought to light. Okay, let's see what is this. DMBT. Oh, this is some. I'm sorry, guys. I believe this is some shit coin. Yeah, this is not verified even. What the hell is this? What the hell is this? It's something bad here. Okay, do not waste time, guys, on this stuff. So this is some news here. Okay, so let's go deeper a little bit. Near protocol, absolutely, I would say, as I said before, so the Near is good for the investing. Maybe not so good for the super trading, but actually they have a huge potential. And you can see Algorand. So Algorand as well, I would say that it has some possibilities to go back, right? Okay, but okay, the prices of course is very bad, but I will not put it in the list right now. Multiversics, don't think so. Tezos, I have some. So if you haven't any, my personal advice to get some at least. Sandbox and Decentraland, I would say no, because we don't know if the metaverses will raise again. EOS, maybe. I would say that EOS is more preferable to me, as for example all this DeFi, or I'm sorry, GameFi stuff. I'm sorry about this. eCash, don't know. Kava, absolutely you can go with it. Flow, you can buy some, but do not think that it can go upper or very big. Chilies, maybe, because I have some chilies in my folio and I'm still holding them. Other guys, IOTA, so they're old guys, but I don't know, guys. Zcash, maybe for trading, they will survive. CarveDAO, the same as Union, everything. Clayton, I believe you can buy some Clayton, but actually the overall trend, I suppose, is going down for some, for a long period. So let's look at this. If I'm not wrong, so if I'm wrong, guys, do not punish me. Clayton, because okay. Okay. No, I was wrong a little bit. Yeah, yeah. They were first they just realized, and actually they have some utilities and other stuff. But you can see this line. Yeah. So this is a support line. It was a little bit lower this year in October, but so actually this is a good point to start with Clayton, I believe. So you can try. So let's try to do this. So actually you can do this, and you can see this bouncing stuff. So actually very easily just going pumping up 3 times really easily. So my goal, if I will buy this, possibly will reach, for example, this level at least, for example. So right now, so it's 5 times, 5 times, 5 fixes easily on the bull run easily. If it can reach this one, it will be just wonderful. 10x actually as well. So this level is possible. I don't think that they will just reach their all-time high. Do they have? Okay, let's look on the coin market cap. I just closed it. Yeah, this one. I don't think that it's possible. So this one level maybe, yeah, on the next bull run. 2 and 4, so it's 20 x's, really? Possibly, maybe, yeah. They can do this because the next bull run will be crazy, I believe so, if it's not right now. So, and this coin you can buy right now within cheaper price, right? It has minus 35% during the year. Who will be talking minus 74? Very good potential as BNB as well, and with OKEX token. So think about it. Gala, I don't think so. They need to go up minus 70%, and you can buy this really easily. Casper maybe. I have some Casper. So, but I would say Clayton will be my next one. Yeah. Uh, Sui right now, no, so too young. And Pepper, as I said, we can shorten them. So let's go, for example, for my trades. Okay, I will go for the futures right now. Do I have some USDTs? No. Oh, look at this. I will show you guys something. You can see that I've got my WorldCoin stuff here, and take this for the short, right? So, and right now you can see that, oh, it was so freaking, I haven't put the limit. Oh, I have put the limits. No, I haven't go for the TP, and so I've got the 58%, so I can actually get my profits right now. And you can see the I've just said to you guys that it will be going down, and actually it went for this one support line, so something like a buck. So I will put take profit on the buck. Take profit on sounds nice, right? No, I will not do this. I will just oh, $7. It's growing. So I will close it right now. So and it's only 2x, right? So I could, so because it's highly volatile, that's why I'm just closing it. Okay, let's go for the close for the market price. And okay, so what do I have? $23 right now. Let's go for the isolated. Yes, and we will go for the 3x, and I will go for the Bitcoin first. Okay, I will go for the, for example, half of my stuff here. No, yeah, something like half of my stuff, and I will 3 isolated 20x. No, it's crazy. You shouldn't do this. Maybe 4x. Maybe it will be another one pump. So let's go for the 3x. Sell short. Order notional less than 33. Oh, okay. So pay attention, guys. Every time you just moving some stuff, pay attention on this one, on this one. Everything is okay. Order notional cannot be less than what? What the hell is this? Okay, 33. I don't get it. What's happening? Why I cannot, go for the okay, let's go for something like this. Okay, nice. So the rest I said pepper, right? So let's go for the pepper if they have some pepper stuff here. Okay, we can see this big pepper move. It will be isolated as well. I'm always trading on the isolated stuff. I would pick up 5, even 5. When I become rich, I will buy Xenna and delete it. Yeah, it's interesting. 74. Okay, something like on the half of my stuff here. Yeah, and we can go for the Matic. As I said, it has been growing a little bit. Oh, 62 cents. It's growing right now. So, as I said before, it still has the potential for growth, and you can see that. Oh, good stuff, good stuff. Can it fall down? Actually, yep. But I wanted to go for the isolated within the, for example, 3x, something like this, and buy long. So let's see what's going on. Oh, okay. So you can see that I've just opened the position to have some fun here, because I'm just making some fun um, um, within the perpetuals, but actually this is highly risky stuff. So I do not recommend to place all of your depot in the future trades or something. So let's move on actually, and go for the some news about the Bitcoin stuff. So MicroStrategy Cryptofolio reached 5 billions within this, raising up stuff. So they have 7, of course, but they have 7-day profit of 800 millions, guys. So it's crazy amount, and you can see that they just doing very good. But if we go for the coin glass and see the liquidation heat map, look at this. This is crazy. Million stuff here. And if we go for the 24 hours, you can see that the liquidation heat map just going crazy. A lot of stuff is going on. Oh, you can see that a lot of stuff was going within the Pepper stuff, right? Real-time liquidations. Maybe it's hours. No. Okay, so, and we can see that how many liquidations there was on different exchanges, and what coins. So really coinglass.com is very good source for the searching of the liquidations and watching on the smart money moves. Yeah. Okay. Bitcoin update. So I want to show you, of course, several different opinions here about the. Okay, let me. So 2 different opinions, maybe 3 different opinions, I don't know. So the Bitcoin futures funding rate in sky high, signaling forward driving market. Bitcoin dominance is 52%, with volumes soaring at 29 billion traded in 24 hours. Our 2023 target, 45,000, is on track thanks to our proven trading models. Subscribe to our tally and find out why we believe the crypto boom continues. So actually, I'm not so optimistic right now. It will be interesting. So we will be just print screening this, and we will see what's happening next. And in the end of the year, maybe I will share with you was he's right or not. So Peter Schiff is skeptical guy, so he's usual skeptical about everything. So he said that now Bitcoin is trading 35k as speculators bet on SEC approval of GBTC converting into ETF. Such a conversion will likely mark the top of the rally if Bitcoin doesn't sell off prior to approval. The sell-off will be less severe if the ETF conversion is rejected again. So I like this stuff because actually I suppose this is a pure speculation right now. So send convert said Bal. So actually I cannot send anything. Sorry. Sorry. Does purchasing trades is long trade preferable for push purchase? Asked Anonymous. So actually, if we go for the pure mathematics, so of course it's less risky to go on long stuff, right? I mean, if you're just trading the perpetuals, because it just mass, right? So with the risk reward stuff, so shorting coins is a little bit more risky than longing them. Okay. In terms of the, of course, spot trading, of course you cannot short, right? And the long positions, of course you can lose as well because coins can fall down. But we're talking right now in the investing, and why we're just calling the $5 CryptoPumper show, because my stuff here is not to teach you, for example, trading. My goal here is teach you guys to invest, in some period of time, so you can determine this period of time, but you need to do this continuously. Yeah, so and you need to have some discipline. So we haven't, you might say, GeekFi, you haven't show us our, your just folio was ended on September, but I bought the crypto here in August, in the end of the August, for the 2 months. Yeah, so and then I would just continuously provide this stuff here. So actually what's my goal here? So the time is coming and I will just fulfill this stuff here. Okay, so that's why I'm creating the list. So I just understood that I will not, bring here some money here continuously, but I put some money here. Yeah, so I will show you a little bit later after we'll continue with the news here, right? If I hadn't known GeekFi, I wouldn't been trading right now. Okay. So actually there is no bad time for trading. Right now is a good time to short, for shorting stuff, I believe. Mars, GeekFi, you ruined my life. Oh, why? Okay. So Peter Schiff, I like Peter Schiff, but he's always skeptical and what other stuff. Plan B said, never thought this would happen to me. I lost all my Bitcoin in a tragic boarding accident. Devastated. So actually it's not true. Yeah, so it's just a fun stuff here. So this is the play of the words he's saying. So what does it mean? So boarding accident, it means then when you need to go out of the taxation, you just say that you just go boating and so it's really interesting. So people just laughing here, of course, because my dog ate the seed trays and everything. So yeah, something like April's Fool Day. Just funny stuff. Another one stuff that Aster launched the DKVM coming soon, so announcement. It's interesting. So if you're just interested in Aster, so this is a good positive news here. Another one stuff here, I wanted just to share with you. So the MasterCard plans Web3 collaborations within self-custody wallet firms. The payment processors working on MetaMask and Ledger, among others, according to the Web3 workshop presentation. Payment giant MasterCard is exploring how best to collaborate with self-custody wallet firms like MetaMask and Ledger, according to Web3 strategy workshop report seen by CoinDesk. MasterCard pointed out in a presentation deck that having a payments card helps wallet providers increase the number of active users and build loyalty and other revenue streams, while giving cardholder the opportunity to spend their crypto balances in a frictionless way. Actually, there are a lot of cards you can, order from the Binance, for example, of Huobi and other providers, or even have your Samsung with building crypto. And as we see that some companies going further, and in China, your crypto wallet will be inserted in your SIM card. So this is the huge stuff, yeah. And you can use a lot of wallets, building wallets on your mobile apps, like mobile apps, and pay some stuff here. The 57 years old payment technology firm will said that it's evaluating new models and blah blah blah. Okay, for me, guys, it's very dangerous sign, because if MasterCard, for example, and other big companies will go within the Ledger, will go within the MetaMask, they will have to somehow regulate and be in the regulational pattern within the authorities, right? So, and MetaMask and Ledger will say one day, okay guys, for example, if we're just going for the Israel-Palestine conflict, you were in Palestine, for example, we will block your wallet. because it's under the regulation. So I'm a little bit worried about this. And the next one is Ledger Recover, provided by CoinCover, is launching today. So another one interesting news. There was a scandal, if you remember. So because they provided the part of the keys within the third parties, and actually it's very dangerous from one side, but for the other side it's good stuff here. And Upbeat will list Mina. So I haven't got deeper with Mina, but if you're just investor or trader, so it can be a bullish signal here as well. What about the Binance Labs? Actually, one of the way to find some projects is to go for the Binance Labs and see what they're investing in, whom they are just supporting. And one of these stuff, for example, is Kinza Finance. For example, suppose they have some retro drop stuff maybe. So and they just said that if you are just so they have good backers and so on. So actually you can try their lockup. So actually they haven't got many lockups here. What you can invest in, USDC for example. So they have single assets markets. It's interesting. APY is so this is standard DeFi stuff, yeah. So the percentage is not so great actually. So you can make some stuff here. Bribe is interesting, but I haven't explored it yet. So you can for example stake some Ethereum stuff, but APY is not so good as you can expect. But you can understand that they can provide, for example, some retro drop in the future, and if you are just trying to hunt these retro drops, you can put here 10, for example, bucks in stable coin. Why not? Like in Stargate Finance, right? Okay. What moving next, guys? So I have a lot of questions about the my auto trading stuff, about the blockchain educational. So guys, actually, if you're really interested in the automation your trades and getting some profits constantly, so please, especially guys who is from our Telegram chat. So guys, if you're really interested in trading and you wanted to try for free, for example, so because on the below the description we have 25% discount stuff, but actually I have some limited subscriptions on 1 month absolutely for free, so you can try if you really want to be more in trading stuff, but you haven't got some time as me. So I just pick up the very conservative strategy here, and we go for this spot auto trading. So actually they're working, these guys are working with two major exchanges, Binance and HTX, Huobi. So it doesn't matter which you will pick on. So you can pick on, for example, Binance. I will go for and I've picked up the 3 streams here, right? So hot signals, medium and short-term signals, and BCE managed trades. So what is the difference between this stuff? So first of all, this is the time frames. So the long-term signals, short-term signals differs from the time frame of realizing profits. For some times they're different. So for example, long trades, I have a lot of trades there because the coins were worked more effectively. And managed trades, differs from these three ones because you don't um, use your stop loss stuff. So I will show you. Sorry. So I haven't picked up the stop loss stuff, but you can. Yeah. So in some reason, and you can use the stop losses. For the BCA managed trades, you don't set up the profits and you do not set up the stop losses, so it's absolutely managed by traders. And you can see, for example, the results. Actually, I haven't, for some reason, so I have 5 or 6 trades here, but actually something was wrong, so I've just switched on these three major streams. Right now I'm just fixing up this one. Maybe I need to change the APY, I don't know. I'm just in contact with guys, and I want to show you my auto trading history here within the channels. So I've picked up 3% profit. I put the 21 bucks per signal, so every signal, so every coin which is on the signal will be bought on 21 bucks. And actually the maximum USDT on the allocated for the stream is 130, so it's about how many, 5-6 trades, right? So, and have some slippage to, you know, some coins need to be bought in some, you know, in some portions. So you cannot, for example, buy just on 10. You need 10 and 1 cent or something. So better to get a little bit more, yeah, on a couple bucks. So you can see that I've just used the 3% option here, so it was realized in you can see how many trades. You can see the current ROI, so of course I can, for example, pick up 5% or something and wait for more longer time and get profit, but I pick up everywhere the same, you know, the same conditions, 3%, right? So 3% per signal, and you can see, for example, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, something like 10, more than 10, more than 15. So let's count it, and it's all over the months, even more for the hot trades. So let's go for the, okay, here we go. I have here only 4 trades entered right now. It was actually even more, so for some reason it was more than 6 trades, and I was like USDT available minus something, but right now it's okay. You can see that in the recent days with this pump, so I haven't even making anything, right? So I've just pick up the stuff here, so you can see the current percentage, even here we go, even 20%, but I put this 3%. You can see that this 3% is working. Okay, I'm not running for the super bigger cells. Maybe I will change my strategy in some way, but right now it's okay for me. And you can see that I have even more trades here, right? Even more trades here with the long stuff, because the market was pumping. So let's count, for example, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, something like 20, maybe 30 trades, right? Okay. And the short terms, like scalping signals, so right now I have, you can see minus 59 available for you, because total trades entered 9. I don't know why it's working, so because maybe I have just extra profit and it just puts this extra profit here, or maybe there are too many signals and it's decided to take you know, some stuff here. But I have some additional, you know, USDTs in my folio, so free USDT, so it can take it. So I believe I will find out where I just take it a little bit more, but right now it's okay. So I've entered in 9 in 9 of this stuff. I can sell them right now, for example, for this 0.5%, for example, yeah, or I can sell immediately with minus 0.5%, but I will wait, of course, because I suppose it will be just some positive moves as well. And let's look here, how many, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 15, something around 20 trades, right? Something around 20 trades. So actually I suppose here we go, something around 60 trades in average per month. 60 trades. Let's count. Let's count. So it's not compounding. It's not compounding, so you need to understand this. So I've just first of all, I was investing for $10, right? So and then I've just making a little bit higher for the 21, but actually let's try to calculate possible profits I will have within the months. And I've just invested, so I've just put in my account for each stream $130, right? So I've just limited this. So for the 4 streams, so because the managed trades, you can see that they're empty. I deleted the story. There was 5 trades with tiny amount of profits, like 0.5% and so on. So I decided to delete this just to make this more pure and do not you know, spoil the statistics with this small stuff. So meanwhile it's not working properly right now, so I've decided to not to count it within the revenue streams. So let us count that I've just put here something like, so for 400, right? So actually I've put a little bit more, so the system can use more money just to get in more trades, right? Okay, so let's see if I have each trade for 21 buck, and we will get here within the 3%. So the pure profit will be something like 60 cents per trade, right? So not so big, yeah, not so big, but very conservative. But if we can take this 33 cents, so actually let's round up this, because not every time it's 33 cents. Sometimes it's more, sometimes it's less. So we will take an average with the 60 cents, but and then I will so multiply this for the 60 trades. So we have 60 trades by now. I believe these recent days we will have some more trades, I believe. So let's look at this. I'm just multiplying on the 60 trades, and voila, I have 36 buck here. So it's something like 10%, because you can see, no, not 10%, so 33, 36, sorry guys. I will not, oh, on 3 streams, right? On 3 streams, because yeah, oh, sorry. So yeah, 9 and 2%, not bad, right? Not bad. So maybe I will increase, for example, so on the 1st November I will see what's happening with my folio, how it's working, and maybe I will increase, for example, if we have seen this 30, for example, for the end of the month I will go to, for example, let us see, for example, 100 trades, right? So if it will be 100, so I will have 60 bucks. So this 60 bucks, of course, I will just provide the limits, so I will enrich the limits maybe, Maybe just get more per signal. I don't know yet. Maybe, yeah, maybe I will go to, for example, 30 bucks per signal, and in these terms I will need to increase my, for example, if I want 6 trades per stream, so I will need to expand my maximum for the 180. So on 3 streams it will be 540, but right now you can see that I have actually in my portfolio value 500 and free and some free stuff here. So we will need to analyze this. So if we go for the within the wallet, so orders, you can see this 354, so they're just in the trade, and you can see that, oh, where is, why I have Osmo? I don't remember if I bought it or not. Yeah, actually I have some coins here, was bought recently, right? You can see that 21, 21, 21, 21 and other stuff. And if we go for the orders, you can see I have some limit orders on selling this stuff. So selling, for example, Osmo for such price, so selling PNT and other stuff. So these are open, so you can see everything here, and you can see that I'm selling, so I will be selling somewhere at 63, right? Somewhere a little bit more. For the Osmo stuff, it's interesting. It's interesting because I have some 153, a little bit more than I need to be. So maybe I will speak with the guys how it's working. Yeah, and I have some, you know, here we go, I have some other one stuff here. Yeah, so this is follow, so we're waiting till it will get the 3% profit here, so we can wait for a long time if we need to wait. Okay, some bitcoins, so these bitcoins are just sitting here, do not making them do not making anything with them. Okay, so this was it, I believe, within my folio. And for the rest of the stream, I will show you my progress in Chain of Legends. So okay, I will not switch. Okay, let's play now and switch to my MetaMask. So I'm just trying to farm this stuff. Oh, I've sold one of my soldiers. Okay, it's great. So okay, so we've just got some, my troops returned from the adventure. So I've just sold one Red Hunter. my troops returned for the adventure, so let's see the adventure history. Okay, I've got some 88 Glex and some of these stones. Let's see how it's going. Let's see. Okay, let's play. So you can see that my forces are slightly overpowered, these guys, and maybe I should this time I should split them, for example, for the lower level dungeons. Oof. I need to upgrade these guys. So I've just sold my and look at this guy is heavy, yeah. Delamain wanted to take part in this. Okay, we need to experiment how to get into the... Oh, come on. It was almost dead. Oh! He smacked my archer. Okay, I believe I will win this adventure, right? Okay, mages are doing great, but I believe that I need to merge them. Okay, so we won 88 Glex, but actually guys, I'm thinking over if we go for the dungeons, so I will not pay attention on these chances to get some goblins here, but getting, for example, this 81, actually if I will win 2 of these one, for example, and or for example many of these ones, I will get more profits, right? So let's see, let's calculate, because all these games need to be calculated. So for example, 81 and 1 I will divide on 37 and 5, so I need to go 2 times and a little bit more just to complete this one amount of resources. And if I go for this, for example, 81 and 1, we will divide on 33 and 1, so 2.5. So but actually this is more complicated, this one, right? So I can send a lot of guys here. Okay, let's go for the... So I have some resources right now. Okay. So I have a lot of capacity here. So I will, first of all, I will merge my mage. Okay, nice. And I will train 2 more mages, and then I will merge them, of course. Yep. What else I will do? I need these guardians, I believe. So let's train more guardians. And maybe I will train... Okay, training queue is completed. So I have some guys who are not involved in the upgrading and training, so we can send them in adventure as well. Let's go for the dungeon. So I have heard that the archer level 4 can beat this one alone. Let's test it. Okay. And what about this level? Okay, let's try to send, for example, archer and this guy. Can they beat the second level? He's injured actually. And this one is injured, and this one is injured. I'm worrying about this. Okay, let's experiment here. Wait at least a minute between adventure quests. Okay. Let's wait a minute. Maybe I should put, for example, I don't know. Let's start. Okay, dungeon, and I believe my knight even, I don't know. Okay, let's send these 2 guys just alone to kill other guys from the first level. Maybe it's good, maybe it's bad option, because he is injured but he has the second level. I believe he can do something. A minute, we need to wait. Wait. Okay. I believe the minute has come. Okay. And the next one. So they will go for the 2 days each, so doesn't matter. Can he kill them all? Let's test it out. Oops, wait at least a minute before. Okay, let's wait. Come on. Okay, let's start. So we can see that we've sent some guys. Whom I sent there? Archer, but what level of archer? I don't remember. I'm sorry, guys. But okay, so we can see that I've sent, for example, even not whole of my army within the 2 of 2 difficulty and 2 of 1 difficulty. Let's see, let's count this in lakhs. Just in lakhs. So 37.1 plus 37.1. Oh, sorry, 37.1 plus 37.1 plus. Oh no, it's not 37. I've just sent here. So 32 and 2 plus 32 and 2 plus 23 plus 23. It's 110, so more than this one. Of course, I will not get, for example, the chance to get the dragon, but actually I have more chances to get these goblins. So 4 more times, right? So we need to understand this. And yeah, I suppose that's very nice. So let's see, I have another one account just to test how you can progress within the if you will use my referral link. So I've just made one account just to test it out, and actually I have some progress there. Okay, I have 100 glax just from the zero, from the scratch and these materials. And let's go for the homie. I can collect this one. So I've merged these guys, they're ready. Okay, so I will send them in adventure and for the dungeon for the first one. So right now I'm just going for the first one. I want to produce one more guy, so after this one, if I complete this one, so I will change some glax for the stones or for some irons, and I will be happy to proceed with recruiting one more guy, and then I will go for this one. But now I will okay, let's start an adventure. Okay, let's go home and let's. So in order to upgrade this, I need 1000 of glax, 1000 of stones and irons. Actually, of course, I need this, but I have to spend some time to do this, right? This one cost for 5 and for and 400. I don't know, do I need them right now? So because better to enlarge my army. I have some free, space to upgrade my stuff here, so maybe it's enough just to farm and make some, pretty cozy profits here. Okay, so I believe this is pretty much it, guys. So do not hesitate to subscribe to our channel, to follow us on our socials. See you guys next time. It will be maybe on Friday. I will show you my progress so far, and we will discuss more coins and more stuff here. So bye bye, guys. Love you all.